Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Imagine a farm, but not just any farm. Imagine a place where tradition meets innovation. Picture rows of lush green plants stretching as far as the eye can see, thriving under the care of advanced technology. Hear the gentle hum of drones buzzing overhead, tirelessly monitoring the crops for optimal growth and health. See robots moving with precision, tending to each plant's needs with meticulous care, ensuring each one gets the right amount of water and nutrients. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. This is the cutting-edge reality of modern agriculture. This is the reality of modern farming in China, where technology and tradition blend seamlessly. China is leading a revolution in agriculture, transforming traditional practices with cutting-edge technology, from automated machinery to AI-driven analytics. From chili peppers to exotic fruits, the diversity of crops is astounding. Chinese farmers are embracing innovation to increase productivity and promote sustainable practices, ensuring a greener future for generations to come. Let's take a closer look at how this agricultural transformation is unfolding and the incredible technology making it possible. This is just a glimpse of what's happening in the fields and orchards of China, where every plant is monitored and nurtured with precision. Get ready to be amazed by the ingenuity and resourcefulness of these modern farmers who are not only feeding a nation, but also setting a global standard for agricultural excellence. China loves its chili peppers. They are a staple ingredient in countless dishes, adding a fiery kick to every meal. In fact, China is the world's largest producer of chili peppers. From the Sichuan province, known for its tongue-numbing spice, to the milder flavors of Hunan, chili peppers are an integral part of Chinese cuisine and culture. Traditional chili farming in China has always been labor-intensive. Farmers would spend hours planting, watering, and harvesting their crops by hand. But things are changing rapidly. Technology is transforming chili farms into high-tech havens, making them more efficient and sustainable. Let's explore the innovative technologies that are revolutionizing chili farming in China. One of the most significant advancements in modern farming is precision agriculture. Think of it as GPS for your crops. Precision farming uses sensors, GPS technology, and data analytics to optimize every aspect of crop production. Sensors placed in the fields collect real-time data on soil moisture, nutrient levels, and even the health of individual plants. This data is then analyzed to determine the precise amount of water, fertilizer, and pesticides needed for each section of the farm. This targeted approach minimizes waste, reduces costs, and increases yields. It's a win-win for farmers and the environment. Remember those drones we saw earlier? They're not just for taking cool aerial photos. Drones are becoming indispensable tools for modern farmers. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can survey vast fields in a fraction of the time it would take a human. They can identify pests and diseases early on, allowing farmers to take swift action and prevent widespread damage. Some drones can even spray pesticides with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing chemical drift and protecting beneficial insects. And then there are the robots. Automated robots are being deployed in chili fields to perform tasks like planting, weeding, and even harvesting. These tireless workers can operate around the clock, increasing efficiency and reducing the need for manual labor. Section 5. Smart fruit gardens growing up, not out. It's not just chili farms that are getting a technological makeover. Across the globe, agriculture is undergoing a revolution, and fruit gardens are no exception. Fruit gardens across China are also embracing innovation. These gardens are transforming traditional farming methods by integrating cutting-edge technology. The concept of smart fruit gardens is gaining traction, with farmers adopting techniques like vertical farming, hydroponics, and climate control to maximize yields and conserve resources. These methods are not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly. Imagine walking into a greenhouse where rows upon rows of strawberry plants are stacked vertically, bathed in perfect artificial sunlight. This innovative approach allows for year-round cultivation, regardless of external weather conditions. This is vertical farming, a space-saving technique that allows farmers to grow more produce in a smaller area. By utilizing vertical space, farmers can significantly increase their output without expanding their land. Hydroponics takes things a step further by growing plants without soil. This method uses a water-based solution rich in essential nutrients, providing plants with everything they need to thrive. Instead, plants are grown in nutrient-rich water solutions, eliminating the need for pesticides and reducing water consumption. This not only ensures healthier produce, but also promotes sustainable farming practices. It's a sustainable and efficient way to grow fruits and vegetables. By adopting these advanced techniques, farmers can produce higher yields with fewer resources, paving the way for a more sustainable future in agriculture. Additionally, digital tools and data-driven farming are becoming integral parts of these smart gardens. Farmers can monitor crop health, optimize growth conditions, and make informed decisions to enhance productivity. The future of agriculture is here, and it's growing up, not out. With smart fruit gardens, we are witnessing a new era of farming that promises to feed the world more efficiently and sustainably. Section 6. Meet Farmer Li, a technological trailblazer. Let's meet Farmer Li, a chili farmer from Sichuan province who has embraced these technological advancements with open arms. Farmer Li used to rely on traditional farming methods, but he was struggling to keep up with the increasing demand for his chili peppers. Then he learned about precision farming and decided to give it a try. He invested in sensors, drones, and a data analytics platform. The results were astonishing. His yields increased by 20%, while his water and fertilizer consumption decreased significantly. Farmer Li is just one example of the countless farmers in China who are reaping the benefits of agricultural technology. His story is an inspiration to others, showing that embracing innovation can lead to greater productivity and sustainability. Section 7. From Southeast Asia to high-tech havens. The impact of China's agricultural technology revolution is being felt far beyond its borders. Countries in Southeast Asia, known for their rich agricultural traditions, are looking to China for inspiration. Traditional farming practices in Southeast Asia often involve manual labor, limited mechanization, and reliance on rainfall for irrigation. While these methods have sustained generations of farmers, they face challenges from climate change, population growth, and the need for increased productivity. Chinese agricultural technology companies are partnering with governments and organizations in Southeast Asia to share their expertise. They are setting up demonstration farms, providing training programs, and making their technology more accessible to local farmers. It's a beautiful example of collaboration and knowledge sharing. Section 8. A bountiful harvest thanks to technology. The transformation of chili farming and fruit gardens in China is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. By embracing technology, farmers are not only increasing their yields but also promoting sustainable practices that protect the environment. Precision farming, drones, robots, vertical farming, and hydroponics are just a few examples of the innovations that are revolutionizing agriculture. These technologies are making farming more efficient, less labor-intensive, and more environmentally friendly. As we've seen, the impact of these advancements extends far beyond China's borders, inspiring farmers around the world to embrace innovation and create a more sustainable future for agriculture. Section 9, and one last thing about those talking plants. Now I know what you're thinking, this all sounds amazing, but talking plants? That's taking it a bit too far, right? Well, while we might not have plants engaging in full-blown conversations just yet, Chinese scientists are exploring the fascinating world of plant communication. They've discovered that plants release volatile organic compounds that act as signals, conveying information about pests, diseases, and even drought stress to neighboring plants. Imagine being able to listen to plants and understand their needs. While this technology is still in its early stages, it has the potential to revolutionize how we care for our crops, making farming even more precise and responsive to the needs of each individual plant. So the next time you're in a garden, take a moment to listen. You never know what secrets those plants might be whispering. Scientists have long known that plants can communicate in various ways. Through their roots, they can exchange nutrients and information, forming a complex underground network. This network, often facilitated by fungi, is sometimes referred to as the Wood Wide Web. With advancements in technology, we are now able to tap into these communications. Sensors and data analysis tools are being developed to interpret these signals. This could lead to more sustainable farming practices, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Imagine a future where our gardens and farms are more in tune with nature, where we can grow healthier plants by simply listening to their needs. It's a beautiful vision, one that brings us closer to the natural world. So, the next time you water your plants, remember, they might just be talking back to you. And who knows, maybe one day we'll fully understand their language. Until then, let's keep listening and learning from our green companions.